Have you ever wondered why you keep buying courses but never make a single dollar from them? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of smart, ambitious people spend millions of dollars on online programs while secretly drowning in guilt and shame because nothing ever sticks. What if I told you that the real reason you can't follow through has nothing to do with motivation or discipline? It's because your brain has been trained to crave learning instead of doing. Every time you buy a new course, you get that quick dopamine hit, that rush of excitement from the promise of change. But when it's time to take action, your brain says, wait, maybe I need another course first. Just like that, you're back in the same loop. Learning feels productive, but doing feels uncomfortable. And over time, your brain literally becomes wired to consume instead of create. Research shows that nearly 90% of people who buy multiple online courses fall into this pattern. It's not laziness, it's neuroscience. But here's the good news. Your brain can be rewired. You don't need therapy. You don't need another guru or a 2000 mastermind. You need a system that interrupts that automatic buy, learn, quit pattern and rewires your brain for consistent action. That's what this method does. Just 30 minutes a day using simple implementation triggers and progress tracking to shift your brain from consumption mode to creation mode. Harvard research proves that daily progress tracking helps you build momentum fast. Stanford studies show that clear implementation plans can increase success by over 300%. It's not about more learning, it's about doing one small step at a time. I know this because I used to be addicted to buying courses myself. 3 years ago, I'd spent over $4,000 in a single year. My laptop was full of half-finished models. My browser had dozens of game-changing books. Every night, I felt like a failure. Then one day, my wife found another course charge I'd hidden from her, and I hit rock bottom. That's when I decided no more buying solutions. I started studying the science of behavior change, and what I discovered blew my mind. Research from NYU, Harvard, and MIT showed that people who track progress and review their goals weekly are up to 3 times more likely to achieve them. So I built a system around that science, and it worked. Just 30 days, I launched my first profitable project. Then my cousin tried it. Then my coworker. Before I knew it, people started reaching out through mutual friends, and 78% of them completed the 30-day sprint with measurable results. I didn't become an expert because I wanted to. I became one because the research worked for everyone who used it. That's why I created the 30-day Millionaire Thinking Accountability Blueprint. This isn't another course to collect. It's your action system. A simple 30-day plan that turns learning into income. Here's how it works. 1. The daily implementation tracker. Just 30 focus minutes that convert your existing knowledge into profit production action. 2. Anti-hype evaluation system. It blocks distractions and shiny objects before they derail you. 3. The consequence contract protocol. Real stakes that make quitting harder than finishing. 4. Weekly review worksheets so you learn faster and adjust smarter. And 5. The Millionaire Decision Framework. The same thinking models top entrepreneurs use to act with clarity and confidence. Imagine waking up knowing exactly what to work on, tracking progress you can actually see, and finally turning that $3,000 course collection to measurable results. A program like this usually costs thousands. Business coaches charge anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 for accountability. But I wanted this to be accessible for people who've already spent enough on learning. So instead of $997 or even $497, you can get the complete 30-day Millionaire Thinking Accountability Blueprint today for just $11. That's less than your weekly coffee run, and it's going to pay you back, not just wake you up. You'll get the full 30-day operating plan, the action scorecard, the ROI tracker, boundary scripts, and plug-and-play templates to keep you focused and consistent. Because I want you to succeed fast, you'll also get these bonuses for free. The course ROI calculator and investment tracker, know exactly which programs paid off. The shiny object immunity kit filters out distractions and saves you hundreds. The 30-day consequence contracts makes accountability real. And the weekly review worksheets, your roadmap to steady progress. That's over $200 in bonuses, free when you join today. Still skeptical, I get it. That's why you're protected by a 14-day risk-free guarantee. Try the blueprint, use it for 2 weeks. If you don't feel more focused, confident, or productive, you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. I've seen this system transform course collectors into consistent implementers, people who finally finish what they start. And I believe it can do the same for you.
This special price of $11 is only available for the first 500 buyers. After that, the price goes up to the regular $97.
The next 30-day will pass anyway. The only question is, will you use them to finally implement what you know? Start your 30-day blueprint now and finish this month with proof of progress. Every week you wait is another week of buying courses you won't finish. Another week watching others execute on the same idea still sitting on your notes. Don't wait for someday. Someday is now. You now have 3 choices. 1. Keep buying courses and stay stuck. 2. Try to fix it alone, hoping this time will be different. Or 3. Follow a proven 30-day system that finally turns knowledge into income. You already know enough to succeed. Now it's time to implement what you know. Click the button below to secure your copy of the 30-day Millionaire Thinking Accountability Blueprint for just $47. Stop being a course collector, start being an implementer.